Hey everyone, in this video, today I'm going to show you how to remove Form 9465 from TaxAct. Form 9465 is used to request an IRS installment payment plan. But if you no longer need it, you can easily remove it. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First, log into your TaxAct account and open the tax return you're currently working on. From the main dashboard, go to the federal section of your return. Next, look for the Other Tax Situations or Additional Forms area. Scroll through the list until you find Form 9465, Installment Agreement Request. Click on it to open the form details. Now, select the option to delete or remove form. TaxAct will ask you to confirm the removal. Click Yes to remove Form 9465 from your tax return. Finally, go back to the Review section and run the final check. This ensures the form has been successfully removed and there are no remaining errors in your return. And that's it. You've successfully removed Form 9465 from your TaxAct return. Thanks for watching.